In an industry where precision is everything, guesswork simply won't cut it. That's why Skipline and Graco have teamed up to bring you the industry's only solution for real-time bead flow monitoring at each gun. ACCU-BEAD is a real-time flow sensor that installs quickly on any bead delivery system and is compatible with all reflective beads. And with IP67 rated components, it's built for durability in the harshest environments. Once installed, ACCU-BEAD works seamlessly with Skipline's advanced DL18 logging hardware, giving operators real-time automatic measurements of flow rate, material usage, and tank levels. Pairing ACCU-BEAD with SpecRite Online turns field data into real-time, compliance-ready reports, so crews and offices stay aligned with instant visibility and no extra paperwork. ACCU-BEAD delivers real-time bead usage data into every bead gun, helping you meet spec, reduce waste, and eliminate rework. Skipline and Graco are revolutionizing the pavement marking industry. Contact us today to get ACCU-BEAD on your truck.